Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Automated Machine Systems. We are excited to introduce you to the people that make it all happen, the products that go the distance, and the practices that make us an industry leader.
Hi, welcome to AMS.
Once equipment rolls through our fabrication department in powder coating, our assembly team takes over with a well-rounded team of skilled mechanics and industrial electricians. Here, the AMS team offers expert assembly, plumbing, wiring, startup, and testing on any project, simple or complex. Thanks to years of experience solving the challenging problems faced by industrial facilities, our team gets the job done right and on time, while staying efficient and proactive in order to offer cost-effective solutions to our customers. All of our equipment and systems are fully assembled in-house and meet robust testing criteria in order to guarantee full functions and ease of installation at the customer's facility. After factory acceptance testing, systems are disassembled and sent to our shipping department. There, our team performs the final quality assurance process to ensure that everything meets our strict criteria and our customers' expectations. To learn more, give us a call at 877-267-8384 or visit us online at automatedmachinesystems.com to see our full catalog and much more.